Okay, we're going to be under the hood for this one, and inside and also underneath. So here's the switch box. The mount comes with a bracket. Let's get over here. We have, of course, a bunch of stickers, labels, the manual. So this is what it is, the P1s wireless switch panel. This company's been around for a while and they've got a good reputation. So inside the box you get tons of different stickers. You get stickers for your vehicle. They definitely load you up and every time. Inside the box we have an antenna, so this will be used. I'll run this inside so I can get the maximum distance from the switch box. Wiring cables to hook up to the battery. And then as you can see over here, this is the box. It comes with, you just run the wires right to it, to whatever accessory you want to control. All the brackets you need, tools, screws, accessory wire, zip ties, fuse. So you can hardwire it right in there, right with a fuse. Screwdriver, and then the main mounting bracket for the box itself. So I think I can go, I might be able to do it on the back side of the battery, which would be ideal. Very short distance, clean install. And then this bracket right here for the switch box.
Make it cool, MICTUNING.